Hey guys, this is Off-Road Redneck here with another update on my racing mower. This is what I got so far on this Craftsman. We got a 22 horsepower V-twin Kohler Pro, and it's a 6-speed transmission with high and low. And on the back so far, I've lowered the pulley down, and it's hard to see it way back in there, but we've hooked up the throttle right here. Pulls it full throttle completely. Earlier over here, the tie rod end broke. We just welded it up. I know it looks like crap, but oh well, you know. Yeah. Let me fire it up and show you guys what I got. That's what I have so far, and you know, it's almost stock. I just messed with the back pulley a little bit. I still got the front pulley. I'm gonna get super big. I'll show you another update on that. Just stay tuned.